This exercise will show basic Kafka Streams operations. The next few steps, creating the properties and adding the application ID, creating the StreamsBuilder, are found in each exercise, so we'll only cover them here and won't repeat them afterwards. First, you'll create a properties object. Then, you'll use this file input stream to load properties from a file that includes the Confluent Cloud properties that you created for working with the cluster. After that, make sure to add the application ID configuration to the properties. Now you'll create the StreamsBuilder instance. Next, retrieve the name of the input topic from the properties. Note that Kafka Streams consumes from this topic. And get the name of the output topic from the properties. This is the topic Kafka Streams writes its final output to. Next, create the order number variable used in the Streams application. You'll see where it comes into play soon. And now create the KStream instance. You'll also want to note the use of the input topic variable. Now add a peek operator. Note that it's expected that you don't modify the keys or values. Here it's printing records as they come into the topology. Here you'll add a filter to drop records where the value doesn't contain the order number string. Then add a map values operation, which extracts the number after the dash character. From there, add another filter to drop records where the value is not greater than 1000. And add an additional peek method to display the transformed and filtered records. Add the to operator, the processor that writes records to a topic. Then create the Kafka Streams instance. Using the utility method topicloader.runProducer that creates the required topics on the cluster and produces some sample records. We'll see this pattern throughout the exercises. Keep in mind, it is not a standard part of a Kafka Streams application. Now you can start the application.